If you're watching this video, you or a loved one probably have a foot or ankle problem. Hi, I'm Dr. Steven Eichelsdorfer, and I work with Drs. Matthew Sheedy and Tyreen Hybeck. The name of our practice is Town Center Foot and Ankle, and we have offices located in Kingwood, Atascocita, and Livingston. We treat everyone from infants to seniors with foot conditions such as heel pain, bunions, hammer toes, fungal toenails, ingrown toenails, diabetes, neuropathy, neuromas, flat feet, sports injuries, and all other conditions involving the foot and ankle. Please feel free to browse our website where you will find valuable information on a wide range of foot and ankle conditions. If you're suffering with foot or ankle pain, I want you to know we're here to help. Give our friendly office staff a call. They will answer all of your questions and get you right in for an appointment.